This week, our public service announcement will be about prevention measures once mandates are lifted. So as we all know, one of the ways we can contract coronavirus is through respiratory droplets. This is why masks are so important because it protects us from people who are coughing, sneezing, talking, and raising their voice. Also, it protects the other people from us. And the mask should not serve as a substitute for social distancing. It does not give us a reason to be closer to people or gather in large groups. We need to continue staying 6 feet away from others. And this picture on the left is from the CDC website.
Once masks are no longer mandated, other precautions should still take place in order to continue ample prevention of spreading COVID-19. One precaution that we all hope everyone participated in prior to the outbreak of the virus is hand washing. It is important to keep in mind that the number one prevention of spreading infection is hand washing. To properly wash your hands, the CDC recommends wetting your hands, applying soap, and lathering your hands for at least 20 seconds. Being mindful that you are rubbing your hands together, lathering the backs of your hands between your fingers, and getting under your nails as best as possible. A helpful tip to aid in achieving a full 20 seconds of scrubbing is in your head, recite the happy birthday song twice from start to finish. Once you finish scrubbing, rinse your hands from wrist to fingertips under running water and dry your hands. Only turn off a faucet that is not motion activated with a clean, dry paper towel after you have dried your hands thoroughly. With that being said, it is also important to know when to wash your hands as well. As you can see on this slide provided by information gathered from the CDC's website regarding their recommendations on when to wash your hands to prevent COVID-19 spread, you should do so after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing, after being in a public place, before and after caring for someone who is sick, before, during, and after preparing food, before eating, after using the restroom, changing a diaper, and after cleaning up after a child or elder who has used the restroom, after touching any animals, their food, and their waste, and after touching garbage. So even if our government officials deem it safe enough to allow us to show our faces in public again, it is still important to abide by using proper hand hygiene to prevent the spread of not only COVID-19, but gross germs in general.
Another precaution that should still be implemented after the mask mandate has been lifted is social distancing. We know that people can contract the virus and spread it to others before they even realize they're sick. When going out, you should only leave your house for essentials, and if the place you're going is busy, then you need to wear a mask as well as social distance. When choosing activities, choose small gatherings with friends and families and avoid large crowds and events. When being active, do so in a safe location where social distancing can still be maintained.
This is Dr. Anthony Fauci. He's the director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. He speaks a lot at the White House about the coronavirus, and his quote is basically supporting the idea that mask and social distancing and other preventative measures such as hand washing are essential even after a vaccine is created. Also, the vaccine might not be 100% effective and they may take a while to be distributed.